This is the word problems portion of Unit 6A test. We're starting on number 16. Emma listened to 8 songs on the radio. Stephanie listened to 5 more songs than Emma. How many songs did Stephanie listen to? Show your work in the box. Then write your answer. Stephanie listened to blank songs. Number 17. Anna made 12 baskets. Henry made 4 less baskets than Anna. How many baskets did Henry make? Show your work in the box. Henry made blank baskets. Write your answer on the line. Number 18. Joe walks 18 blocks to school. Ben walks 8 blocks. How much longer is Joe's walk to school than Ben's? Show your work in the box. Joe's walk is blank blocks longer. Write your answer on the line. Number 19. Kim bought 13 oranges. Jonah bought 4 more oranges than Kim. How many oranges did Jonah buy? Show your work in the box. Then write your answer on the line. Jonah bought blank oranges.